If you haven't driven your vehicle for a long period of time, there are a few checks you should make before you head out onto the road. In this short video, I'm going to show you what they are. First thing we're going to do is check the dipstick. Remove. Give it a good clean and wipe. Back into the location hole. And then draw it back out. And just check that the oil is between the minimum and the maximum lines. Then we're going to top up the oil. Remove the cap. Add the oil. Give it a quick wipe just to clean any excess. And replace the cap. Then we're going to check the washer fluid just to make sure that's full. Also check the brake fluid, make sure it's in between the minimum and maximum lines, and just check around the engine bay area for any nesting animals. Just going to check around the wheel arch area inside the wheel for any nesting animals while the vehicle's been stationary. Now we're just going to check the tyre pressures. Going to remove the valve cap using a tyre pressure gauge. Check the tyre pressures fine. Return the valve cap. Check the wall of the tyre for any defects or bubbles, and then we're going to have a look at the tread bars just to make sure that the tyres are legal. If your car has been stationary for a while, it is vital that when you start it up again, you run the car for an extended time to ensure the starter battery is topped up. If you are leaving your car stationary, only do this in a secure, well-ventilated area. Just going to check the wiper blades for any grit or dirt that's built up while the car's been stationary, also the windscreen. Going to clean the rear wiper blade. Give the rear window a good clean as well. If your Toyota is equipped with a spare tyre, then it is just as important to check the pressure the same way you did with the 4 tyres already fitted to the car. Check your tyre pressure. Place the valve cap. Carefully place the wheel back in. Remember to lock the spare wheel in place, and then replace the jack. Close the boot. Follow these simple steps and your Toyota will be ready to get you where you need to go. If you require additional assistance, please contact your local Toyota dealer. And remember that Toyota approved products are still available from the official Toyota eBay store.